Tired of rebuilding the same Smartsheet workflows over and over? Duplicate any workflow in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click to copy your workflow in just 7 simple steps. Start on the Smartsheet homepage, where you'll see all your sheets listed. Then open the sheet you want to work with by clicking on its name. Now, click on Automation in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down, select Manage Automation Workflows to open the workflow list. Find the workflow you want to duplicate and click the 3 dots next to it. Then, choose Duplicate from the menu that appears. Finally, click Save at the bottom right corner to confirm the duplicate. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.